It's Monday, February 22nd, 2010. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. D7 here. Here we are, slightly down today. Dow down about 20 points, well 19 points, S&P down a point, and almost 2 points on the NASDAQ. Russell's up ever so slightly with the VIX dropping just a little bit. But interesting thing on the VIX is we're under the 20 mark. Very interesting to see that. The S&P daily, we take a look here, and wow, have we ever slowed down, gang. We come down, 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 down. We had a beautiful 2 weeks of nothing but going straight up. But right now, if I blow this up to really take a look at things, what we have is what's called a bearish thrusting pattern. And we did close below the 50-day moving average. That's my red line coming across here. We did make a slight lower low, but that is pretty close to being a tweezer top. So not only do we have a tweezer top, we have a bearish thrusting pattern, and we ended the day, the last 15-20 minutes, pretty aggressively to the downside. But in the face of all that, financials did by far the best today, boding well for the support of any bullish sentiment that's out there. On the flip side, we had basic materials that did take a hit. If you notice, crude's actually up over $80 as of today. But with the run up, we have been seeing a dissipation in volume. Let me show you this. I'm going to go to the spiders. And look at this volume. It's a bitsy volume. Just nothing volume. Very light volume, especially for a Monday, gang. Today should have been bigger volume than what we received. So, as far as the technicals are concerned, I'm reading this as bearish because we're extended to the high side here. We need a correction taking place. We're going up on dissipating volume, smaller volume, and we're starting to get reversal patterns forming on the major broad market. So with that, I think that there's a decent chance of a reversal coming fairly soon. What I would be looking for is a lower low being made. See how we have higher lows, higher lows, higher lows? I'd be looking for a lower low, so something lower than 1110, especially when we get under 1108. And you can see on the spiders, that's actually 110.8. So I'd like to see it go lower than that and close lower than that if I'm going to play any bearish positions. So this next candlestick, Tuesday's candlestick, is going to be very important to me as a trader, because if we go lower and we start doing it on volume, I'm going to be significantly net to the bear side and play this drop, which may only last a day or two. So you got to be really careful with this. But if it lasts multiple days like this, we're in up 2 weeks. Even if we get a 1 week drop, there's a lot of money to be made. To be quite frank, you can make money 66% faster to the downside than what you can on the going to the upside. And why is that? Because stocks drop 66% faster than they rise. So use that to your benefit. Play both sides of the market, bullish and bearish, and also know when to be sitting on your hands. So now, at this point, we're hearing some thunder in the distance, and we need to watch the markets really closely here to see how things play out. Anyway, I don't know if anybody knows this, but we're putting on a webinar on market internals. And when I say that, I'm talking tick and trend, going into the deep things of those two and going into others, such as net volume, going into the VIX, going into the Volt Q, the different indicators that we love to watch, advancers to decliners. Oh, I could go on and on. But it's a 2 to 3 hour huge shot in the arm for people that want to know what the market internals are and how to better increase their probabilities in the market. So anyway, if you want to be a part of that, you can sign up or shoot us an email, and we'll get you taken care of. So shoot who an email? Mike_Williams@freetradingvideos.com. Yeah, and he'll get you all signed up, and we'll let you know what the tuition is and whatnot. It's $200, $100 if you're a student, and fantastic. And Matador will be teaching that. And then tomorrow night, Tuesday night, we have a free webinar. It's Meet the Mentor, where you can hear more about our mentoring service. And because we have one coming up this weekend, it's the Saturday and Sunday and Monday coming up, so it's a week, under a week. So coming up, and it's where we take you in under our wing. We teach you how to trade and do it like a rock star. So good stuff. Take care. Happy trading to you.